Well, we've had a lot of warm weather lately, unseasonably warm, and this could be the result, mosquitoes.
The University of Georgia says if the warm weather continues, the mosquitoes will likely start popping up earlier than usual in some parts of Georgia, which could mean a higher population of the bugs. And even with the cooler temps on the way, the mosquitoes are able to withstand cold temperatures for a short time. That is not what we want to hear.
No, and you know, one thing we don't have to worry about is all the rain giving them breeding grounds, because
2 points to
haven't
me.
had any of
That's
that.
right.
That's right.
No rain to help them.
Right.
And actually, it takes 4 days, I believe, and I'll just say 4 days of 4 cold, below freezing days, then you start really killing some bugs. But let's take a look where the cold is now, and this is the big story as we look into the weekend. This is from 5 o'clock this morning. The purple temperatures, the real cold air, should return back to Canada during the day. It doesn't. It just kind of stays in place and will continue to ooze in this direction. Our cooler temperatures are just coming into the area. The real cold is following that, and it'll come right into our area. And ahead of that, quite a bit of precipitation across the eastern third of the country. Start with the snow first. Winter advisories, Kentucky, West Virginia, portions of Ohio back into Indiana. No real big snowfall amounts there, but it's their first significant snow of the season. The northern portions of the Cumberland Plateau with winter weather advisories. It's all rain now in Nashville and rain into the Carolinas. And heavier rains here, southern Alabama along the Florida Panhandle, most of it off the Gulf Coast. This is what we think may slide in our direction as we see most of our heaviest rain already offshore. And again, our own Doppler Max 11 radar shows all the shower activity has indeed pushed offshore. We're thinking more may come along, so we're going to keep it in the forecast. And Future Max shows the clouds in place, shows the next area precipitation coming through, but it weakens dramatically. By 6 o'clock in the morning, we're back to clear skies again, and any other precipitation seems to be staying away from us. All the activity, in fact, offshore all the way through the weekend. We think we'll see lots of sunshine with cooling temperatures, but what's back here in the center of the country? Look at this. Frozen precipitation all the way to Dallas first thing Monday morning. Will that hold together and come our way? We'd like to think so, with some showers. We won't see any wintry precipitation, of course. Look at the clouds that are locked in across the state of Georgia. They'll stay in place. Association with this low, which is racing up in front of that Arctic front. By 4 o'clock in the morning, the front moves through. Here comes the cold temperatures. Here comes the gusty winds that we'll have for the day Saturday, not for Sunday. High pressure, in fact, taking over and sliding right into North Georgia by first thing Monday morning. Sunday night, Monday morning should be our coldest night, and then that high will move on. Small craft advisory for mariners tomorrow. Northwest winds 20 to 30 knots. Gale watch in effect for Sunday. Winds up to 35 knots. Seas at 6 to 9 feet. Check your pollen count real quickly. It's at 120. Tree pollens are the major culprit there. If you got any fishing to do this weekend, first of all, bundle up. Check all the river stages for the Savannah River, the Ogeechee River. You can always find all of this information online at WTOC.com. So our weekend Doppler Max 11 forecast, not too bad tonight. Cold temperatures, 39 inland, 49 on the coast. Look at the rainfall chances, 20% inland and 40% on the coast with the coastal showers that we do expect. No rain chances tomorrow, windy indeed, and cooler inland, 53, 56 if you're on the coast. In fact, the warmest temperature should be in Savannah at 58 degrees, down to 26 tomorrow night, 49 on Sunday, and wall-to-wall sunshine, 24 Monday morning. Monday afternoon, mostly sunny skies, 58, back to the 60s, then back to the 70s. There's our rain chance Tuesday into Wednesday, and just a slight chance at that so far. We'll hopefully see some more precipitation in that as it develops and comes our way midweek next week. Springtime made in the South, underway now, continues tomorrow, and Sunday, WTOC, a proud sponsor. Lots of other great activities there. Whatever you got planned, should be a fine weekend. Just bundle up and follow us on Twitter at Big John Weather.
Thanks, John.
Well, one school's